Hey OFRA Beauties, it's Steph here, and today we're getting down into the nitty-gritty with some mascara tips and tricks. So the first step is, of course, diving into your favorite mascara, one of mine being the HD Volumizing Mascara from OFRA Cosmetics. This stuff, let me tell you, is bomb.com. I love the wand on this thing. The application, the formula is just top of the line. So we're gonna go ahead and start by applying some HD Volumizing Mascara on one eye, and I'm gonna show you guys the before and after as we go on. The number one thing with mascara is light layering is key. So you want to start off with light layers, and what I like to do is I like to start off in the outer corner and I blink. I know it looks a little crazy, but it gives you the most flawless application because you're starting from the root and you're just blinking down. So as you guys can already see, it is just applying beautifully, and it's getting every single part of my lashes, not just the bottom, not just the top, because with that blink, you're just getting that whole lash coated. So again, just focusing on the outer corner first, still have not dipped back in. I'm staying with that first layer, and I like to go all the way at the root. I like to twist the brush outwards. So it's kind of like you're creating a little wave motion, and you kind of build that all into one quick motion. So you like to start on the outer corner, do that blink, and twist. And it gets everything coated. We're still on that first layer, and as you guys can tell, there's already a great difference. I have some definition in my eyes, and it kind of looks like that. So as we move into the inner corner of my lashes, I kind of like to just blink and move my brush outwards like this. So I move it towards my nose, and doing that helps to separate, because then after we go one way, we're gonna go towards the other direction. So we want to be sure that we get that nice falsy effect by just giving us some nice wispy volume and definition. So that's what the wiggles do. It kind of just gets you one direction, get all of it coated, and then you move it over to the other side. So this is what we're looking like so far with those tips. We started outwards and kind of did that little wave motion and also those blinks. And then we went inwards and we went towards the nose, towards the outside of the face, and you guys see it just opened my lashes up beautifully. So the next thing I like to move on to is the bottom lashes. Now, of course, you can go into that second layer, but a tip I have for you is to let it dry first by moving on to the bottom lashes, and then you can go in with that second coat. Now, this next step with the bottom lashes, you're gonna be like, whoa, Steph, that's a little scary. And I know, trust me, I get it, but it's gonna be game-changing for you when you try it yourself. It's gonna be a little scary, a little intimidating, but I promise you, it just makes an amazing difference. So we're gonna go in with the mascara wand. I don't really like to wipe it off. I just kind of let the excess hang up there, and I go straight up. So vertically, I'm gonna just go left and right with my lashes, and doing this helps to coat everything evenly. So you see right away, it's already coated like all of my bottom lashes. Now, I know I look a little crazy, but we're gonna comb it out and get all that excess mascara off. I will say one thing, if you're making a crazy face when you're putting on mascara, you're definitely doing things right. So this is where we're at with the lashes right now. We are lengthened and volumized, and this is just with one coat on the top and bottom. We can go ahead and go in with the second coat just to show you guys what it looks like, but I personally just love to keep it with one coat, because if you do it the right way, you can just get away with it. It just looks natural, but still volumized and lengthened and just effortless. So for the second layer, of course, we want to maintain that individual lash look, so we don't want to go too clumpy. So what I like to do is I just like to do that blinking motion. So I just like to go super quick, do those blinks instead of that full technique by coating each lash again, just because I want to keep that length, I want to add that volume, but I don't want to make it clumpy. So just gonna go quickly towards the top end of the lashes and just do those blinks, and it adds just the perfect length, but it doesn't create those clumps. Now that we've got the mascara applied evenly and perfectly, we are gonna go ahead and move on to the next eye off camera, and I'll be right back to finish up this video. This is officially the after following those mascara tips and tricks. I truly hope you guys learned something. I would definitely say a huge takeaway should be that blinking technique, because I promise you, it's gonna make your mascara application process so much quicker, as well as that left to right, straight up, bottom lash application. It seriously is a game changer, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. I hope you guys loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give your mascara tips and tricks down in the comments below, as well as give this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to OFRA's YouTube channel if you guys haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.